rare, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer, you don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So today we're gonna have an on-foot look at these bad boys right here, the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements, the shoe that is gonna be returning tomorrow, 2024, and it's highly anticipated regardless if they are pristine or not. But today we're going to be taking a look, an on-feet look at the 2018 pair. I did not go for the shock drop pair, so I don't have that pair to compare to it, but I did want to get you guys a review and talk about sizing, comfortability, and overall aesthetic when it comes to purchasing these shoes tomorrow. But before we get off into this, man, if this is your first time tapping in, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button for your boy. If you are a reoccurring subscriber, hit that like button. Do what we do. 20K is right around the corner, and I appreciate it because each and every one of you guys. Now, first and foremost, this shoe is dropping tomorrow, Saturday, and this is a definitely must to have in your collection. It is an iconic shoe. It is that black colorway, that red colorway. This is Air Jordan at its finest. This is a definitely staple in the sneaker community. So if you're on the fence about it, I'm going to encourage you guys to cop them. Do not be concerned about all the things that you're hearing when it comes to defects and stuff like that. If it's a bad pair, return them. You feel what I'm saying? But definitely go after them. Don't sleep on them because they will sell out no matter how many pairs they're saying. But today we're going to be taking a look at this pair. As you guys can see right here, we have the standard Air Jordan 3 silhouette. We have that black leather, and the tumble leather is pretty good on this pair, as you guys can see. We have the elephant print that's on the toe box, and that's what a lot of people are complaining about. They're saying that it's brighter here and the detail ain't there. As we go right around the sneaker, we do have that elephant print on there, and my Nike Air on the back of these is yellow, but that's pretty much the only thing that's wrong with them. But the Nike Air is big and bold on that booty. Also on the right one, it's the exact same thing, as you guys can see right here. On the bottom, we got hints of that Nike in that red colorway, and then the white and the gray and the black as well. As we look at the right side, we have the same exact thing. Only black laces came in this pair. I don't know what comes in the 2024 pair, but usually on Jordan 3s, they don't give you any more laces when it comes to them. On the tongue, we do have the Jumpman logo right there with hints of red around the sock liner and stuff like that. Black laces going all the way down to that gray as we look at that tumble leather on the toe box in that black. Overall, just a super clean shoe, as you guys can see. Super dope. Like I said, definitely a must have to add into your collection. Now let's talk about the most important things, what you guys are here for, is sizing. When it comes to sizing, these are 11.5. My true to size is 11.5, so sizing is going to be true to size, man. Definitely true to size when it comes to these things. Do not size down, do not size up. Go to your original size. Is gonna fit perfectly, man. They fit like a glove. As far as comfortability goes, the Jordan 3s, in my opinion, are not the most comfortable sneaker. So I'm gonna say like a 7, 6.5, 7, you know, just to be kind of nice about it. But that's what when it comes to comfortability, like I said, the Jordan 3s just ain't the most comfortable sneaker in my opinion. Now, when it comes to overall aesthetic, as I show you guys these things, just the overall look, man, this shoe, everything wrapped together, is a 8.5 out of 10, bro. Like, you know what? Yeah, 8.5 out of 10. We'll stick with that. Just because the Jordan 3 silhouette on my favorite silhouettes of Jordans is like number 4. So that's the only reason why I stick at 8.5. But if like the Jordan 3 silhouette was my thing, this definitely would be like a 9.5. Like I said, staple, iconic sneaker, must have. Don't sleep on it. Go for it. But let's go ahead and talk about the actual box and get up close and personal with the sneaker, and we're gonna close out this video. Let's go. All right, so this is the box right here. We have your standard Jordan 3 box. We got the red Jumpman logo, black top. We got the cement elephant print on the bottom. This is the size tag right here. Again, this is a 2018 pair, and this retail for $200. Now, as we open up this box, as you can see right here, it came with the red on the inside of the box. No quality control sticker. You had the elephant print paper right there. And then we also had the tree inserts that were the cardboard along with the paper behind it for the extra support. Now, I do think that this pair did come with a little pamphlet also, but Again, 2018, I don't have it anymore, but that's it for the box. All right, and then just as far as the shoe to get up close and personal a little bit, this pair did come with a lot of glitter on it. I don't know if it's gonna show you guys on here. I tried to wipe it off, but for some reason, the 2018 era, if you was buying shoes back then, shoes came with a lot of glitter, especially the black leather sneakers. But the back end of my sneakers are kind of yellow, as you guys can see with the Nike Air on the back. But outside of that, the leather quality and everything is pretty clean on it, man. The toe box leather, as you guys can see right there, not too bad. And just the tongue super thick right there. And so everything just about the shoe aesthetically is probably what you should get when it comes to this 2024 pair. A lot of people are complaining about this elephant print, but on my pair from 2018, it is pristine. It is perfect. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions about these things? Let me know if you hit on the shock drop pair, or if you still have the 2018 pair or prior pairs before that. Or did you double up? That would be a great question to comment down below and answer that for me. But y'all already know the saying, man, rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these shoes, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next video.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.